If only you can listen to this video until the end, I bet you will learn much more about semen and how to increase the volume. The volume of semen a man produces can affect confidence and overall sexual health. While semen volume doesn't determine fertility on its own, many men strive to increase it for a variety of reasons, including personal satisfaction and reproductive goals. Semen is the fluid released during ejaculation. It contains several components, each playing a role in reproduction. Interestingly, only about 5% of ejaculate is sperm, while the remaining 95% is made up of other essential fluids, such as 1. Prostate fluid, which provides nutrients and protection for sperm. 2. Seminal vesicle fluid. It's very rich in fructose. This fluid gives sperm energy for their journey. 3. Mucus. This helps lubricate and protect sperm during ejaculation. Now the big question is, why does your ejaculate decrease? There are several reasons why your semen volume may decrease over time, including 1. Aging. Testosterone levels naturally drop as men age, leading to reduced semen production. 2. Dehydration. Without enough fluids, the body can't produce as much semen. 3. Diet and nutrition. Poor diet lacking in essential vitamins and minerals may impact semen production. 4. Hormonal imbalance. A decrease in testosterone can reduce semen volume. 5. Medications. Certain medications, like antidepressants and anti-inflammatory drugs, can reduce ejaculate. 6. Frequent ejaculation. If you ejaculate too often, your body may not have time to produce sufficient semen. 7. Health issues. Conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, or infections can affect semen volume. How can you increase semen volume? If you're looking to boost your semen volume, here are several strategies that may help. Hydrate, meaning water is essential for overall health, and staying hydrated can help maintain and increase semen volume. Aim for at least 8-10 glasses of water per day. Optimize your diet. This means that eating foods rich in zinc, selenium, and vitamin C can support semen production. Foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, eggs, and dark leafy greens are great options. Exercise regularly. This is a no-brainer and self-explanatory. Regular physical activities, particularly weight training, can boost testosterone levels and improve overall reproductive health. Manage stress. High stress levels can impact hormone balance and semen production. Meditation, yoga, or simply taking time to relax can help reduce stress. Limit alcohol and smoking. Both excessive alcohol consumption and smoking can negatively impact sperm and semen production. Limiting or eliminating these habits can help improve volume. Consider using supplements. Supplements like L-arginine, maca root, or fenugreek have been shown to potentially increase semen volume. Consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Maintain healthy weight. Being overweight or underweight can affect hormone balance and semen production, so maintaining a healthy weight is essential. Improve sleep habits. Poor sleep can lower testosterone and harm semen production. Try to get 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Give it time between ejaculations. If you ejaculate too frequently, your body may not have enough time to replenish semen. Spacing out ejaculations can lead to higher volume. Subscribe to our channel now. For more tips on improving sexual health, optimizing reproductive wellness, and achieving your personal best, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter. You'll receive the latest research, product recommendations, and advice tailored to your goals.